Silly Kitty and the Spooky Night. This is Silly Kitty and his human, Emma. Emma is at a Halloween party. So, Silly Kitty has to find things to do. He goes outside. Tonight is a spooky night. Silly Kitty spies a spider. "Boo!" whispers the spider. "Boo to you," says Silly Kitty. Silly Kitty bounces up to a bat. "Boo!" squeaks the bat. "Boo to you," says Silly Kitty. Silly Kitty meets a mummy. "Boo!" moans the mummy. "Boo to you," says Silly Kitty. Silly Kitty pounces on a pumpkin. "Boo!" shouts the pumpkin. "Boo to you," says Silly Kitty. Silly Kitty likes Halloween. There are lots of things that go boo.